Here are 5 amazing facts about the deep ocean. 1. Most of it is unexplored. Over 80% of the deep ocean remains unmapped and unseen by humans. Scientists know more about the surface of Mars than the ocean floor. 2. It's completely dark. Sunlight can only reach about 200 meters deep. Below that, it's pitch black. Animals rely on bioluminescence, making their own light, to see or attract prey. 3. Extreme pressure. The pressure in the deepest parts, like the Mariana Trench, is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, enough to crush most submarines. 4. Strange life forms. Many creatures in the deep ocean